Hey friends, let's do I Won't Forget You Guitar Lesson by Poison. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab and chord charts to make it easy to follow along. And we'll do the main solo at the end. We'll do that intro solo after I've shown you the intro rhythm. Now with this one, they're tuned to E flat. So we play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting on the G chord. We play the 3rd fret on the E string, then play B, E, B, G, B, E, B. And we're doing both 3s on the E and the B string. So. Then we're doing exactly the same, but we're going to a C add 9. So this time we're playing the 3rd fret on the A string, and the bottom part stays the same. B, E, B, G, B, E, B. Then we're coming up to an E minor bar chord. We again play the A string on the 7th fret, and then we just do the same again. B, E, B, G, B, E, B. Jump back to a D chord, play the open D string, play E, B, then go 3rd fret on the E, pull off to the 2nd fret, B, G, B. And just do that through 2 times, and then after that we just go back to the G and we're just playing E, B, G, B. Do that 4 times. And that's the intro rhythm. Now let's have a look at the lead. So we're just sliding up to 9 on the G, play 8 on the B, 10, do a bend and release on 10, and then play 8 again on the B. Then do a bend and release on the 10 again, B, pull off the 8, 9 on the G, back to 10 B, 9 on the G, 8 on the B. So slowly. Then we're coming up to 14 on the G, do a bend and then play 15 on the B. 15, do that again, 14, bend, 15. Then release the 14 and pull off to 12 on the G. And then we're just playing 14 on the A and do a half bend there. Then do the bend on 14G again. 15B, bend 14G, 15B, release the bend on the 14, just play 14, and then slide up to 7 on the G. And that's our intro solo there. Now let's have a look at our verse. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that really helps me out. So let's get back into it. So we're starting with this G over E chords. We're going to play the 2nd fret on the D string, and then we're just playing 3rd fret on the B and the E string there. So 2nd fret on the D, then E, B, D, B, E, B. Then just go to a D chord, we do the same. Open D string, E, B, open D string, B, E, B. Then we go to the C add 9, 3rd fret on the A string, this time go E, B, open G, B, E, B. Then we do this little run down. A string, 3, D, 2, open G. and then second fret on the A, open D, open G, so, and then E string 3, 2. The next time through it changes a little bit. We're still going to play the G over E, but this time play the open E string and the third fret on the high E string. Then just play B on the 3, open G, back to E, G, E, B. Then go to D, we're going to play the open D string and the second fret on the E string at the same time. And then B, G, E, B, E, B. Then go to our C add 9 again, third fret on the A, E, B, G, B, E, B, and then do our little run down again. 3, 2, open, 2, open, open, and 3, 2. And that's our verse there. Then we have the pre-chorus. Let me play that for you. So we're just starting on an A minor bar chord, strum that, and then we're just playing E, B, G, D, back to G, back to B, play the 5th fret E, and then do that again. E, B, G, D, G, B, A string, 2, 3, we're going to a C chord, play the open G, open E, first fret on the B, and then do that again. A, G, E, B. Then we're just going to the D chord, play the open D string, G, B, play the third fret on the E and pull off the second fret, and then back to B, G, E. So slowly. And that's our pre-chorus C. From there we go to the chorus. Now it's exactly the same as the intro. The only difference is on the last G, we just play it 3 times. And the 4th time just play E, B, G. So 2, 3. That's the only difference there from the intro. Then we have the verse again, that's exactly the same. Then we have the pre-chorus, that's exactly the same again. Then we have the chorus. Now the only change here is we don't play that last G, our arpeggio picking. We're going straight to the A minor, so let me play that part for you. So again we're just jumping to our A minor, give that a strum and then play E, B, G, D, G, B, E. Second fret A, strum the C chord and then just play, stay on the C. E, B, G, B, E, B, and then just strum a D chord. And that's the end of the chorus there, just leave off that last arpeggio picking on the G there. Then we have our solo rhythm and that's just our chorus again. And we just leave off the G at the end again, and then we have our little pre-chorus which is similar to the pre-chorus we just did. So the whole start bit's the same, the A minor, our little run up to C. The only change here is we play the D, open D string, G, B, third fret on the E, pull off to the 2, and then B, G, D. So that's the only difference here. Then from there we have the chorus, and we just play it through 4 times. Now the last D changes, let me play that for you. So we're just playing the open D string, then third fret on the B, and then third fret A, third fret on the B, second fret A, third fret on the B, open A, third fret on the B, and then just finish on a G chord there. And there are all the rhythm parts there. Now let's have a look at the solo. So just start with the 5th fret harmonic on the G, pull your bar out, let it come in, and then 5th fret harmonic B. Do the G again, harmonic. Then we're just bending on the 14th fret, bend, release, pull off to 12 on the G, and then play 14 again. Then do the 5th fret harmonic again, play 7th fret harmonic on the G, then play 5 on the B, but come in with your bar and let it come out. 5 on the G, same, so. And then it's just 3 B, and then back to the G string, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 4, slide back to 2, and then the open 2 times, and then 4 on the D string 2 times. And that's the main solo there. Then we have this little outro solo. Let me play that for you. So it's just the same as the start of the main solo, 5th fret harmonic G, 5th fret harmonic B, 5th fret harmonic G again. Our bend on 14, pull off to 12, back to 14. Then it goes back to the start solo. We have 14, bend on G to 15B, release to 14, pull off to 12 on the G. Bend on 14A, and then just bend 14G again, 15B, 14G, 15B, release the 14G, play 14, and then just slide up to 7 on the G there. And that's our outro solo. And there are all the guitar parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I won't forget your guitar lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.